How to ride the Morrisville Smart Shuttle. The Morrisville Smart Shuttle is an app-based rideshare service provided by the Town of Morrisville and operated by GoCary. Riders schedule their pickup and drop-off using the Morrisville Smart Shuttle app on their smartphone. The Morrisville Smart Shuttle app is powered by VF Transportation. To schedule a pickup and drop-off using the Morrisville Smart Shuttle app, download the Morrisville Smart Shuttle app from your iPhone or Android app store, or visit townofmorrisville.org/smartshuttle. Create an account through the app or online. Give the location permission to find your zone on the map. Select the pickup and drop-off of your ride. Select the time and number of riders, and book your ride. You can also use your computer to schedule your pickup and drop-off. Arrive at your pickup node 5 minutes early. Please note, trip times vary based on the number of riders, so give yourself plenty of time for your trip. If you have any questions, ask your driver and enjoy your ride. Visit townofmorrisville.org/smart shuttle today to start riding.